Hi there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance Agency of Minnesota. A lot of people ask me, should I have sewer drain backup insurance on my homeowner's insurance policy? Well, my answer to that is always yes. Half the homeowners policies in the state don't even have sewer drain backup. The minimum you can get is $5,000. Our advice at Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota is to get, if you have a finished basement, you should have a minimum of $20,000 of sewer drain backup. If you don't have a finished basement, we recommend at least $10,000, because the worst thing in the world is have all this sewage and water coming up through your basement and have no coverage. That's exactly when you're gonna call your agent and try to put in a claim. And if you don't have enough coverage, that is just not good. If you want great advice like this from the best independent insurance agency in the state of Minnesota with the most 5-star Google reviews in the entire state, watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.